Salvete omnes. This is a short lesson on comparing things in Latin. So if you want to say that one thing is bigger, smaller, wider, shorter than something else. So there are two ways to do this. So you can use quam. Quam is used pretty much almost exactly like than, T-H-A-N in English. So when you're comparing two nouns, so you'll have a comparison. You'll have thing X and thing Y. So you'll say that thing X is something. So like smaller, bigger, taller, shorter, quam than thing Y. When you do this, whatever case thing X is in, thing Y, when you use quam, thing Y must be the same case as thing X. Here are some examples. Romani diligentiores quam Germani erant. So the Romans, the Romani, thing X, we're comparing thing X Romans in the nominative plural masculine, so the nominative case. They are diligentiores, the comparative of diligens diligentis. Careful, you could say attentive, except for that one time, in the Teutoburg forest. Es diligentiores, so nominative plural masculine to agree with, Romani. Quam, there's the than, quam thing Y, the Germani. If thing X is nominative, thing Y must also be nominative, and it's plural masculine, Germani, the Germans. Haec via est longior quam illa. Haec via, this way, this road, est longior. So if via is nominative singular feminine, longior, nominative singular feminine, the comparative of longus aum, there's quam, then the thing Y. Thing X is nominative, thing Y also nominative case. Illa, that road over there yonder, as opposed to this one, hic haec hoc right here. Non vidi puerum potentiorem quam eum. So non vidi, I have not seen a accusative direct object puerum. Potentiorem, stronger, more powerful. The comparative of potens potentis, potentiorem, accusative singular masculine. Quam eum. There's the than, quam, and then thing Y. We're comparing thing Y to thing X. So thing Y must be the same case as thing X. Thing X is accusative case, puerum. Thing Y must also be accusative case, eum, than that one. I've not seen a boy more powerful than that one, than him. Quick example, if say the thing X were a dative, like I will give a present, accusative direct object present, to dative indirect object, the smaller, to the boy smaller than that one, to this boy, to the smaller boy than that one, to the boy smaller than that one. So smaller, dative, and then than that one. So that would also have to be dative than that one, with quam, comparison quam. So that's one way to do comparison. Thing X, quam, thing Y, and thing Y must take on the same case as thing X. Now, the ablative may be used to show comparison, and then you would omit quam. You would not use quam. Now, this only works if thing X is in either the nominative or accusative case. If that is so, if thing X is either nominative or accusative, then thing Y can be put into the ablative case, and it must be in the ablative case, and you would not use quam. You would not use quam. So this is called the ablative of comparison. So thing X, if it's nominative or accusative, no quam. Thing Y must be in the ablative of comparison. The translation will be the same. Romani diligentiores Germanis erant. So the Romans were more diligent than the Germans. So Ramani, thing X, is in the nominative. We can use the ablative of comparison, thing Y. Haequia est longior illa. This way is longer than that one. Illa, that one over there. And then non vidi puerum potentiorem eo. I have not seen a boy more powerful than that one. So you can either use quam as than to compare two things with a comparative. If you use quam, thing X, and then thing Y, whatever case thing X is, thing Y must be in the same case. If thing X is in the nominative or accusative case, then you may omit quam and put thing Y in the ablative of comparison. The translations will be the same. Optime, very well done.